And again up ahead now I can hear water, a fast flow of water again. This is it. Hello, my name is Martin and welcome back to another video. So I've been doing a series of videos called Chasing the Medlock, and we've been following the Medlock from Phillips Park Cemetery down through into Manchester, and so far we've only done 2 videos and we've got as far as Holt Town. But there's a big chunk that I've missed out and it's the culvert where the Medlock disappears from Phillips Park, goes underneath Alan Turing Way and comes out on the other side where I started the last video. So got me wellies on. We're going to go and have a look at this culvert and see how far we can walk into it. And one of the interesting things in there, I think on the left hand side is an overflow from the Ashton Canal, and it's a set of steps. So we're going to see if we can see that and have a look at it and just see what it's like inside that culvert. So this is new to me, this is a completely new experience. I've never been inside a culvert before. Well, I did on the last video, I had a quick skip into one, but we'll see how far we can get into this one. Right, we're here. It's freezing. I don't know if this is going to be a goer or not, because we're going all the way in there and it looks pretty deep, and it's not been raining that much either, so we'll see what happens. Tally ho, lights on. Away we go. Well,
you don't leak yet.
Oh, well, it aren't leaking yet. It's quite deep. Well, this is the furthest I've been in so far. Just got to keep watching the ground. And surprisingly, it doesn't feel that slippy, does it? Yeah, it is quite a fast flow. Look at Andrea there, my friend, the urban explorer. Right, so we're going in the main dark bit now, so we've just gone under Alan Turing Way. It's snowing and we're just going to go now into the main bit now down there, that really dark tunnel. Oh, it's all rocky. My God, it's massive. Very rocky here. Shit, very scary as well. Bits of a bridge there. So if we can get down there, we can see these set of steps that are the overflow for the Ashton Canal. That'd be quite good. But I can't believe, I know it sounds ridiculous, but I can't believe how dark it's gone. Anyway, onwards and upwards. What the hell is that? Oh, some strange things down there, isn't there? What is it? It's a bit, oh, it's a branch. Look at that. It's like that's been, a massive branch has been washed down here. Strange. And you see the river now is down in that. It's more stone down on this bit rather than actual Accrington bricks. That's where we've come from. So onwards. So I think somewhere now we might be going down below Man City's car park somewhere, I think. So funny to think that the Medlock used to be full of trout and eels apparently as well. Bit of a strange smell as well now, isn't there? It smells horrible. It smells a bit chemically almost. So I think the water sound we could hear, the rushing water sound we could hear, is the fact that the river just gets a little bit faster here. Just come up. Great shot, great. It's a lot longer than what I thought. What that is. So daylight, we can just see daylight there. So how are we going to come out where I did the last video from, I wonder. And again up ahead now I can hear water, a fast flow of water again. This is it. So this is it, this is what I was looking for. These are the steps that are the overflow from the Ashton Canal. If you can just about see me, I'll show you now. See here? And that goes up there to the Ashton Canal up there. The Ashton Canal is at a higher level and it overflows down here into the Medlock. I'm just going to go up the steps now. Okay, so it wouldn't be a proper adventure if I didn't try and have a quick look up there. So it's scary and I'm not going to put myself in danger, but let's go and take a look up there and see what it's like. I do want to wait here. Right, slippy steps. I imagine if you came here, I won't even talk. Okay, so it's a little tiny cave well, little tiny tunnel, and you'd have to crawl through it. And I think at the other end is just a grate that leads to the Ashton Canal. So can't really go any further than this, to be honest with you. That was quite difficult when it goes into a really small hole at the top, and then there's a horizontal bit, and I think it goes to the Ashton Canal then. You can just see daylight there. So how are we going to come out where I did the last video from, I wonder. So here we are, Journey's End, and this is where we filmed on the other side of the culvert. If you remember, I did Medlock, Chasing the Medlock episode 2. And we filmed there, we stood on that bridge, and I called it as a joke, I called that area Mordor because it was so horrible and everything. Well, here we are. So we've truly followed the Medlock now from Phillips Park through to this area here, and beyond there now is Holt Town. There's another little manhole there. So another little manhole there. So we'll have a quick look about that, shall we? Oh, interesting. Yeah, it's a proper manhole that. And that goes up there. Oh, very high. You see the manhole right up there. So I don't know where that comes out. Probably comes out up on Viaduct Street, that. So I think that comes out up on, I think we're underneath Viaduct Street now in Manchester, or New Viaduct Street it's called. So I'll just show you the difference. So if you see there's two bridges here, you'll see the brick line one, and then there's a much older bridge there, which is that sort of stone lined. So they've obviously butted this one up to that one at some point. So just quickly, we'll jump out the culvert and I'll show you where we are. So that's in this video that you're watching now. We are there, and that's where we are. And if you remember, in the last video, this is the area we explored. Ashton Canal's up there, and this was an area that we called Mordor. And then, like I say, that goes up to New Viaduct Street. There's all sorts of bits of brickwork down here as well. There was rumour that there was a gravestone that had been washed down here as well. So nearly out now, getting towards daylight again. So it was good, I enjoyed that. Well, that was very good, that I enjoyed that. It was quite interesting, and it was an easy walk, to be honest with you. And it was really interesting to see the steps that come down from the Ashton Canal, and to see the other side where we filmed last time, what we call Mordor. If it's been raining, there's lots of rainfall, it would be quite nasty in there, and it is completely pitch black. So, I don't recommend you do it. So there you go, that's the Medlock Culvert. We've done it now. We need to follow the Medlock now through to Holt Town. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.